Well, a little closer. Not gonna go and do this all at one hand. I'm gonna have to hang you guys down. Now bear in mind this is without the weight of the glass in there. What we got? Nice, that's what it's gonna be. It goes out back like that. I guess I'll focus. There you go. American Motors on that key. And Briggs and Stratton. Nice comment. Yeah, I gotta do something with gaskets here and here. I think I'm gonna actually sit, instead of making them out of the rubber, this one's sliced, cut through. I think I'm gonna actually make them out of like a gray or black gasket material. Make them a little bit wider, let them sink in, trim them really nice if they're with a scissor. Make them nice, and I think they'll actually look acceptable. So, yeah, okay. Took some gasket material, cut my two little things. I'm gonna put these bad boys on. Put the gray this way, and it's gonna sit with just a little border. Let's put it on. Ooh, we got a handle on the car. Nice. Like I said, the handle does show some wear, but it's locked. It's open. Nice. I'll take it. I think the gaskets worked out well. And that's what we're going to do on the other side. So, well, that's it, guys. I'm calling it a night. I got some stuff I got to do inside. It's cold.